Hi guys, it's Mrs. Delorme. I just want to start off by saying that this is so crazy. I cannot believe that we are off until May 15th. I miss all of you so much, all of your personalities. Um, this is going to be a bit of a learning curve because I know that we're starting e-learning beginning on Monday. So I just wanted to come on and show you a video of how you're going to access your learning. This is a learning curve for all of us. Thankfully, you guys have a bit of advantage because I've been using Schoology all year. You've had Schoology homework assignments almost every night. So it's going to be a little bit similar, a little bit different because you're not going to be learning in class, but you're going to be learning online. I'm still here. I'm still available via email. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. My office hours are Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday from 1 to 2 p.m. because that's when my kids nap. But if you reach out to me via email anytime, I'm going to do my very best to get back to you as soon as I can. Okay. So if you have any questions, let me know. But I'm just going to walk you through how to get to your e-learning so that you're ready and prepared come Monday morning. Okay. So normally many of you just look for your assignments over here on the right-hand side for upcoming. I don't want you to do that because you have to watch the videos and view the examples first before you do your assignment. So you're going to click on courses up at the top and you're going to go down to 3 because you guys are in period 3. Okay, this is what it's going to look like. It's going to come up. We still have to finish up unit 6 on surface area. So there's only a little bit left that we have to do on surface area. It's only going to take us about a week. It actually was only going to take us like 2 or 3 days in class, but I chunked it and broke it down a lot more for you guys so that it's a little bit easier and easier to manage. So you're going to scroll down to the date. Now here you can see that they're like faded. It's because they're not posted yet. So they're going to be posted every morning by 9 a.m. So I'm not allowed to post them ahead of time. So you have to log in Monday morning and you'll see it on Monday. So it'll say day 15, but if you're not sure, it says 3:30 and Monday's date is 3:30. Okay. Surface area of rectangular prisms. Initially, I was going to do rectangular prisms, triangular prisms, and cylinders all in one day. But I decided just to chunk it so it's a 30-minute assignment, 30 minutes at the longest. So we'll start with the directions. So when you click on this folder appears. It explains what surface area is. It says to watch the 2 videos on finding surface area of a prism and then complete the classwork assignments practicing this skill. Now, sometimes the videos are going to be of me, and then other times the videos are just going to be videos that I found of other teachers on YouTube that I thought taught it a really good way. So it all depends on what I thought was the best way you guys will learn. So today's assignment, or Monday's assignment, there are 2 videos by 2 different teachers to give you 2 different perspectives on surface area of a rectangular prism. I thought that they did a much better job than I would have. But on Thursday, when you do surface area of a sphere, I wanted it to be quick to the point. So I created my own video because I just thought that that was best. So whatever I think is best for that specific day, sometimes it'll be me teaching you, and sometimes I'll grab videos from other places. Okay, I strongly recommend that you take out paper, take notes on the videos. Then when you get to your assignment, show all of your work on the paper, not to hand in to me, but so that you're doing the work on the paper and not trying to do it on your phone because that's where a lot of errors come about. Okay, here's an example. These are the videos and they're embedded right into Schoology. So if you click on it, it appears right here. So you just have to click play. Here's your second video, again, embedded right in the Schoology, so it won't even take you to another site, okay? And then here is your assignment. Your assignment's very short. Most days, they're only going to be 5 questions because I want you to do your best on them instead of rushing through. Some days when I think you've mastered it, like toward the end of surface area, I'm going to give you 10 problems to practice all of the skills together. But most days, they're 5. So there's 4 problems just finding the surface area, very quick and easy. And then the last one is a word problem. Still pretty simple though. Not working backwards or anything super hard. So there's 5 problems. Now, all of your classwork assignments are going to be a process grade, so they're classwork grades. They're all going to be worth 10 points. I'm not really sure why it says 5 points here. It is 10 points, I promise. It's 5 questions, 10 points. Let's say you get an 80% on the assignment and you want 100. I made it so that you can complete the assignment as many times as you want. They should only take you 30 minutes though. Some students are going to finish it in 10 minutes because the videos are only about 2 to 4 minutes. Some students are going to take the full 30 minutes, but I don't want it taking you more than 30 minutes, so I try to keep it on the shorter side. Okay. All assignments must be submitted by 11:59 that night. Okay, so this has to be submitted by Monday night at 11:59. If you have any questions, you're coming across any problems, please feel free to reach out to me. My office hours aren't until Tuesday, but I do always have my phone on me. So I will be checking my emails throughout the day. I just will get back to you when my kids are sleeping or whenever I can best get back to you. But I'm always available. Please feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions. I try to keep it short and simple. And this is going to be a learning curve for all of us. Remember that we all are in this together. So reach out to your peers if you have questions. Reach out to me. Reach out to other teachers. Make sure that you're being an advocate for yourself and that you are trying your best. I hope that you guys are enjoying a lot of your time off at home, even though we're stuck in the house and we can't go anywhere, but I hope that you're enjoying it. I hope that you're all staying safe and healthy, and I hope to see all of you really soon.